Hey everyone! In this video we're looking some more at the Dolphin, which is a Flipper Zero experimenter's board. This video is going to focus on the UART and the SPI breakout pins. Alright, let's get started. The black wire is going to go to ground, the white wire is going to go to our receive, and the red wire is going to the plus voltage, which is currently jumpered to 3.3 volts. I've connected the receive and ground wires to our DEFCON badge. This is a DEFCON 27 badge. For this first demo, I'm using the UART Echo application. Depending on your firmware, you may need to install this application first. And I'm going to take that 3.3 wire and connect it to the positive terminal of the badge. And you can see the serial data scrolling across the screen. Next, we're going to use the UART Terminal app, which again may need to be installed. And in console, we're going to set the speed to 115/200. And then again, we'll apply positive voltage to the pin. And you'll notice this application doesn't automatically scroll, so I'm just keeping the power applied and text keeps happening, but we're not seeing any of it. It's not scrolling. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just scroll with the up and down arrows so you can see all the messages that were received. So we can go all the way down to the bottom here. And then we can also scroll back up. Typically you're using sensors that can go into the breadboard section of the Dolphin. So in this particular example, we probably could have plugged directly into the flippers, pins 9, 14, and 18. Next, we're looking at the SPI breakout. And we've connected that to the CC1101 external radio. I'm using the tall stacking headers that came with the ESP32 package. In the future, I'm looking to use the Dorsal DR28, which will allow me to put that flush instead of having to have it sticking way up there like it is. I'm using Roadmaster firmware, which allows for an external SubGHz. So we'll go into SubGHz. We will scroll down to radio settings, and for the module, we'll say external. All right, so now that that's set up, we can go back up to the read. And we're scanning. And there you go, read signal from the external radio. The external radio seems to be able to pull in signals that are a little bit farther away. In a future video, we'll look at the SPI breakout some more, and we'll also talk about the SPI protocol. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know which SPI devices you'd like me to look into with the Flipper Zero.